One of the most important things in ranking your website is developing your authority around a topic or a subject that is important to your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out a keyword strategy that goes beyond publishing 1 or 2 articles. Let's go through creating a topic cluster strategy that will consistently cover all the content around a keyword or a topic. And on top of that, I will show you how to do this in just a few minutes. I am Eric Casagrande, and without further ado, let's build your topic authority with the appropriate content strategy together. Setting a topic cluster strategy is crucial for improving your ranks while you develop your content. This strategy consists of mapping the most important keywords for the same topic and covering all of them in different articles. All those articles and pages are linked to a pillar page, which is the main content piece for this specific cluster. This will help your audience understand that your content covers everything around this topic, and also will make it easier for search engines to crawl your website. But how to build a topic cluster in just a few clicks with the Keyword Strategy Builder tool. Guys, stop wasting time on spreadsheet and come to see this. I go to Keyword Strategy Builder and I type here the top 5 most important keywords for a specific topic. Let's use these keywords related to coffee. Just wait a bit for the tool to analyze the data and create my clusters. And here we go. We have 7 different topic clusters related to these keywords that I wrote before. And I can start checking these ideas. Let's check this one related to brewed coffee. I open the cluster, check the ideas by clicking on the circles. Here I can see exactly all the keywords that the tool suggests to cover. It shows the list of keywords, the keyword intent, the keyword difficult, and the volume. And more. I can see that some clusters already have a high ranking potential because of a good combination of total volume and low keyword difficulty. But there's another great feature to mention. I can ask the tool to create the topic clusters based on keywords that is specifically related to my own domain. I just go to Keyword Overview and type my domain. The tool will provide me the data related to my website. It's the personal keyword difficult. Now I can request to create my topic clusters, and the Keyword Strategy Builder tool will consider my domain information while doing it. I especially like these subclusters for electric coffee grinder. It has a high volume of searches, a low difficulty in ranking, and it's all for commercial keyword intent. Next step, send all these keywords to SEO Writing Assistant tool and start my content writing. That's it. Now it's your turn to find out your topic clusters with the highest ranking potential. And as I always say, it's not luck, it's data. See you on top.